nesting box, or do they just not really care?
We say about 5 hens to a nest. So I mean, one chicken doesn't lay all these eggs. They all go back to the same hole, or so it seems.
So they share the nest?
Oh yeah.
Wow. And the egg color has to do with the breed rather than what they're feeding, or how does that work?
This is the breed.
Okay. This opens up basically, and they can go outside. How do you deal with predators in the summertime?
I got a good dog.
You have a good dog. Okay.
So we feed them hay down here.
Hey, okay. And these are some of the early houses that you've got here? This is the oldest house.
The first one we started.
Wow. It's about, what, the 10th the size of the one we were just in? And they've got the whole area, but they're all pretty staying pretty close to the each other and to the food here in the wintertime.
Yep.
How many you say here?
450.
450. Oh, it's nice and warm in here.
Yeah, you gotta really keep these guys warmer.
Okay, and so you buy them as chicks?
Day old. They're 1 day old when we get them.
Day old chicks. So I was kind of expecting that you would have some sort of an egg washing machine, but this looks to me, that's it?
Yeah.
All of those dozens of eggs.
I touch an egg, 1 egg 3 times.
Okay.
Pick it, I wash it, and I box it. This is our fancy egg washing machine.
So you've got air bubbles going through there.
We got a little compressor down here.
Okay.
Goes through the sink. You add egg soap.
Egg soap.
Yep. Let it sit there and boil for a while. Helps work all the stuff out. Cleans the egg. And the soap kind of shines the egg up too.
And those two green...
Keep it from bouncing in there.
Keep it from bouncing.
Oh, with the old and with the new. When I tell people I've touched every egg, there's a good chance I have.
These eggs take up a lot of time.
Finished product. It's very time consuming. But we've been doing it for years.
Interesting.
They're just out of the pullet egg stage.
Okay. And pullet egg, what does that mean?
That is the first egg they start laying. That's a pullet egg.
Oh, okay.
That's a 2-year-old hen's egg.
Wow, what a difference.